Even though my body is in thrall, my tongue is not. Therefore I can say what I'd rather do. But I shall be able to trust God with this. And after God, I trust my juggler. For all my hope of freedom is with them. Fool, I'll say it, although it may somewhat grieve you. From now on, one can call you this. For you keep, for no reason, imprison the jongler of your lady, who holds you so dear. May God harm him who taught you love. Lord, sir, fool.
It is a kind word.
Woe is me when I make my lady weep for me. For you have locked me away for 3 months, if I can count. All shall say, by the faith I owe my juggler, that you are the one who steals from ladies. Fooled by my head, which was anointed by her. There is no fiercer pirate at sea. For you steal lovers and make ladies weep. Haven't you stolen enough in my juggler? Do you demand even more? You won't get any advantage from it, I'd say. Fool, I beg a tiny favor of you. For I have already conceded that you do not give me all my due. For by merely giving me justice, you wouldn't be able to repay me. If the matter were settled according to right, you wouldn't have my juggler. She never intended to give herself to you of her own will. Fool! She gave you her treasure by committing herself to you, and you reciprocated. It isn't fair bargain, since she is worth so much more. You ought indeed to compensate her, for she doesn't give me,
Whom she calls her jongler,
anymore. And you certainly can't compare to me. Cannot compare to me in this matter. If you give her back to me, I'll do a fine deed for you.